Good evening, friends. Welcome back to mobile app tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to add animation on a progress bar on Android app. So let's see how the app will look like when you add an animation on a progress bar. So let's have a look on this. So this is a single activity project I have created already. So when I click in this start button, you will see a progress bar with animation. So I have used here 4 to 5 images which are being displayed in a timely fashion. So like this we will see how to do this, how to implement the progress bar with animation. So let's have a look. So first of all, to add the animation, this type, especially this type of animation in progress bar, we need to have the images. So I have taken 5 images and I have kept these images in my resource drawable inside my resource and drawable folder. After having these images, I have created an animation resource file, drawable resource file like this. So this is my animation drawable file in XML. So I have taken 1 item, 2 item, 3 item, 4 and 5 items. This is my first image, this is my second, third, fourth and fifth. I have given the time duration for the images, that every image, the image change time is 300 milliseconds. So like this I have created an animated XML file. So you need to first create the drawable XML file. Now after creating this, I have a layout here where I am using a button, one text view which is displaying the hello world text, and one button named start animation. So our GUI will look like this. This is my button. When I click this button, my animation will start. Now let's see the coding part, the Java class, where I have written the code for the progress bar implementation. This is my main activity class. I have a button, I have a progress dialog. On create override method, I have a button. I have mapped this button object to my control, and I have written here the on click listener code of the button, so that when I click this button my progress bar code will execute. So this is my progress bar. In main activity I have set a message, please wait, and I am just setting the intermediate drawable to this dialog by writing this line: dialog dot set intermediate drawable get resources. I'm using this animation.xml file from this resource folder. So get resources dot get drawable, and this my XML resource file. So I have written this code, this is cancelable, and finally progress dialog dot show. Very little code, very small code to display the dialog with the animation. So the only difference is I have added this drawable file in this progress dialog. Instead of adding this animation.xml file, I can use a single image to display in a progress dialog. If I use a single image, then dialog box will show only one image while displaying the dialog. So instead of using single image, I have used here an XML file, drawable XML file that is having 5 images. So this is the code you have to write inside the click event of the button. Now I am going to run this app so that you can see. Yes, it's installing. I have already launched my emulator. So see, when I'm going to click this start animation button. Yes, now see, please wait, and images are coming in timely fashion, like 300 milliseconds, as I already mentioned in my XML drawable XML file. So like this you can add the animation on your progress dialog. So this was the today's tutorial. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel for the latest learning. So for today, thank you very much. Thanks a lot.